for today's cupcake design, you're gonna wanna grab a mini cake or cupcake, an impression mat of your choice. There are so many different designs that you can use. Just make sure that it's silicone. And some buttercream. This is American buttercream, and we used our satin ice ready-made buttercream. This design only requires a few steps, and it's very easy to do. So we're gonna start by piping the buttercream onto our cupcake, and we are just using a large round tip, some pink and white buttercream, just to have a variation of color. And we're gonna go ahead and just pipe this like you would any other cupcake. And now we're gonna take our cupcake and we're gonna place it over our impression mat. So you're gonna choose the spot that will best fit the cupcake. And let's see, I want to show these butterflies. So I'm gonna place it right here. And now you're just gonna flatten it out. You wanna make sure it's evenly pressed, so that the buttercream gets into those impressions. And now we're just gonna pop this into the freezer for about 10 minutes or until your buttercream is solid. Our buttercream is now solid. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the cupcake from our impression mat. And this is the result of the impression. You can clean up the sides with an offset spatula or your glove, just to round it out a little bit. And here's the final cupcake design. So it was very easy. Any skill level can achieve this look, so you can create a very detailed cupcake with little skill and little effort. Be sure to subscribe to the BakeDeco channel for more content like this.